YouTube, man? We back with another video. I know it's been a little minute, but we've been delayed, man. It's a long story. I might hit y'all with a little solo video for that. Tell y'all why I've been gone so long. But today we got another video for y'all. We finna do a little interior mod. It's not nothing big. We finna do it ourselves. It's not nothing bought. I mean, even though we did buy the material that we need to make this video happen. But yes, sir, we finna paint these little interior knee rests.
Been through the storm back when I was little. I still 10 toes, you know how it go. I watch niggas eat. I used to be starving. In my glow, I'm banned for foe. Before that, I got where I'm at right now. I used to be poor. We slept.
Bam! These motherfuckers right here. We finna hit those up with it. We got it. We finna match it with the exterior. We went with the satin color. I ain't want to go glossy in the interior. Before we lay the paint down, we gotta hit it with this primer, this plastic primer. Shit, yeah. I got this idea from my buddy. Shout out MostHated Camo. He gave me the idea for this and shit because he did it on his Camaro. He actually did his red, but we finna hit that out with the blue. So after we done with this, I'm gonna let y'all know how it look. And shit, we finna get the footage rolling. We'll see y'all after this next clip. Getting the plastic primer on. Make sure you do it. Oh, I was finna spray that shit in my damn face. Oh, look at me. I'm glad I double checked. All right. Now you should be doing this with a mask on. Me, I'm in the rush of process. I do have a mask, but I don't feel like looking for it. You don't want to be breathing all these harmful chemicals in. Alright, that's it for the primer right now. I'm gonna crack that dough right now. We'll see y'all in the next clip. Alright, now we finna hit it with that blue, that satin color. Give it a few shakes, shake and bake. Go do this top one first. Ooh, I like how that look already. Right, now we're gonna hit it up with this second one. Now we're gonna let that little coat dry. We'll see y'all in the next clip. So it's looking like everything about dried. We gave it about an hour and a half to dry, cure a little bit. Still look like it's a few little wet spots, but overall it's mostly dry. That's how it look. Yeah, the color is damn near perfect, spot on. It's gonna look nice once we got it on the car. Lift it up a little bit. Get this bad boys installed. Yeah, pretty much dry. Get everything assembled. Show y'all a little clip. Alright, so now we inside the car. Finna get them installed right here, like I said earlier in the video. Them was basically the knee rest, cause my knee, the driver's side knee rest on this side, which is my right knee. Passenger left knee rest on this side right here. So you got the weather takes. I gotta get these cleaned off. Power wash them or some. I'm gonna try to do it. Let's see, this for the passenger side. This is the driver's side. Who is this called? Yeah. Driver's side installed. Let's fuck with this passenger side. See this ain't perfect. I probably need to take this one off. Do that edge again. It's not entirely dry. So, alright, this is just a little test clip. That's how it look. Alright, so we came back in the garage. We took disassembled everything. Noticed that I missed a few spots, so we just coming back up here to tap it back up. Damn, they just spray the inside parts, make that look, touch it up a little bit. So yeah, get that done. Show you how it look after. All right, now this time we got them all buttoned down. Got the edges looking a lot better. Ain't perfect, but shit, it's good to my liking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, that's about it for this little video. It wasn't a long video. It was just a simple little mod. We painted the little interior knee rest on the Camaro. Hopefully it look nice. In my opinion, it is gonna look nice. We go put it because the vehicle name is Sonic, and I want to have a black carbon fiber and a few blue accent trim interior pieces on the vehicle. So shit, get some more mods installed. Shit, we gonna be flooding y'all with that content.
Yeah, been through the storm back when I was little. I stood 10 toes, you know how it go. I watch niggas eat. I used to be starving. They my glow, I'm bad for foe. Before that, I got where I'm at right now. I used to be poor. We slept